my bunnies, it's Tiki's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all a new polymer clay tutorial. I'm sorry that I did not upload a video last week. Sorry, my ears are messing up. If you follow me on Instagram, you actually saw the update as to why I did not post a video last week, but if you didn't, because you're not following me on Instagram, but you should be, these ears are very wobbly. I still want the small ones, but I wanted to be glamorous for the Glamrock. But anywho, last week I was actually, the week November 18th, that particular week, I was in a bad car accident. I'm going to push this down just a little because, there we go. And somebody ran a red light and they ran into me. I am fine, but my car was totaled and I was very shaken up. I'm not all about drama. This is not why my channel is here. My channel is here for fun and art. So, I am fine and we are going to carry on, as the English people say. We're going to pick up ourselves, carry a big stick, and carry on. Now, I know the phrase isn't that much, but you know what I mean. But anywho, today we are doing a tutorial. Another Glamrock tutorial. Today we're going to be making a Glamrock Chica ring inspired by Five Nights at Freddy's security breach, as you can see right here, which is barely focusing, but you get the gist. Last week, I made the Glamrock Freddy Fazbear ring, or Glamrock Freddy ring. So this week we're going to be making Glamrock Chica. So yeah, very, very cute. Next week will be a monthly artist feature, as I usually do at the end of the month. Obviously, I'm not doing it at the end of November. It's going to be the beginning of December. But that's because I wanted to get this tutorial out first. My hair's doing a thing, and it's because of these ears. I'm just a hot mess tonight. Let me just stop for a second and come back with everything readjusted. Okay, that's slightly better, but not much. But anywho, next week will be the monthly artist feature. This week is the tutorial. I'm not sure what's going to come after the monthly artist feature. Also, thank you for the new sub. I'm currently at 244, so thank you guys so much. You really mean the world to me. And a big shout out and thank you to all the people on Instagram that wish me well and were praying for me through the accident. Physically, I'm fine, but you know, it just sticks with you emotionally. But it's okay. Again, we'll carry on. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, also, thank you for the new not subs, but followers on Instagram. And thank you so much to everybody who's bought stuff from me on Etsy recently. I've had over like 9 or 10 sales now for the last 2 weeks on Etsy. So thank you so much. I'm also running a Black Friday sale, but it's a little bit late that I'm telling you this. I think it is still running until at least the end of this, at least the end of this month, but go check it out. It's 15% off of, your purchase of $20 or more in anything in my shop includes in that offer. So if you buy multiple items to get over $20, you'd get 15% off the total. So yeah, go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I will be back to my regular scheduling, uploading unless unforeseen things occur. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in next week's video. Bye-bye, my bunnies. For this tutorial, you're going to need white, black, sweet potato orange, green apple or Granny Smith apple, whatever it is, green, and dusty rose pink, and pink paint as well. I use acrylic-based paint. First, we're going to start with the white paint, not paint, now I got paint on the brain. The white clay, pre-roll the 2 balls we'll need. The first big ball, roll it in your palms to make it into an egg-like shape or an oval shape. Then press it down gently on your work surface so it'll be round on the top but flat on the bottom. And once you do that, it should look a little something like this. Next, we're going to make her little feathers or hair that goes at the top of her head. So that small ball, roll it into a teardrop shape. And then the rounded end, also roll that out and make it pointed. Then you're going to press this down very gently so it'll kind of be round on the top and flat on the bottom. Also, ignore my nails. I know they need to be painted, but give me some slack right now. I'll paint them soon. Anywho, then after that, you're going to go ahead and cut out 2 little triangles to make it more feathery-like. And then put it on the head, but put it slightly slouched to the side because that's how her hair or feathers kind of fall. Next, we're going to go on to the dusty rose pink. And the same thing, we're going to pre-roll the balls we'll need, which will be these right here. Use the cutting board as reference for the sizes you'll need, approximately. Then the 2 balls on top, we're going to make the hair bow. We're going to roll them into teardrop shapes. Then you're going to want to press them down nice and flat with your fingers. Again, let's not speak of my nails. After that, you're going to take your X-Acto blade or some kind of dotting tool and indent 2 lines. Ignore that, that's my phone. To make it look more like a bow. And then you're going to take it and smush them together. And then put the third ball in the middle to make it look like a bow. Then put it onto the end of the little, not the pointed end, but the flat end of the head of the like bangs, and then kind of droop it over her head and over the side, but make sure it won't fall too far back or you won't be able to put it on your finger. Next, we're going to move on to sweet potato, and this is just going to be for her beak, so just this one ball is all we need. You're going to roll it into a teardrop shape, not too skinny, we want it to be a thick teardrop shape. We need some thick clay in our lives here. Then you're going to press it down gently so it'll be round on top and flat on the bottom. Once you do that, then you're going to want to cut off the back end like I've done right here. We only need thick fronts, not thick backs here apparently. I'm done. Then I pinched it between my fingers to make the top of it kind of look more triangular, like you could see near my index finger. And as you can see it on her face, how the top points upward. That's just the shape of her beak, so trust me. Use a reference photo if you need to, like, help you out too. Granny Smith, that's what the color was. I couldn't remember for sure. Next, we're moving on to Granny Smith. I just rolled out a really long snake of clay and just cut off 2 thin little pieces and curled them around to make earrings. And that's all we need for the green, so now we can go on to the black color to make the eyes. And for the black for the eyes, I just pull off a very, very tiny pinch, barely big enough to grab, and then roll it in between my index and thumb to make this oval shape. I realized the eyes were too far right, so I did move them over later, but I did that off camera. Once you do that and got everything finished, use rubbing alcohol and cotton swabs to clean it off. This is 70% rubbing alcohol, but you can use whatever percentage suits you. I forgot to put a picture, but I baked it before I painted it, 350 degrees for 12 minutes. Once it was baked and completely dried off, then I painted on the 2 little triangles with the acrylic pink paint. Once I let that dry, then I used E6000 to glue her onto the ring base. I put it in clay to hold it up for support. And then after that, I used my polyacrylic floor varnish to glaze it on up. And then we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching and for always being here and supporting me. Stay tuned for next week's monthly artist feature, and belated happy Thanksgiving. I love you guys very much, and I'll see y'all in next week's video. Bye-bye, my bunnies.